Face masks for combination skin. 1. Avocado and coconut oil. Both are very hydrating and control skin sebum production, which makes them great ingredients for a face mask. Mask recipe. You will need a 1/4 of a ripe avocado. Peel it, and make a smooth paste out of it. Now, stir in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 2 or 3 drops of tea tree oil. Massage the mixture onto your clean face, and rinse off after 10 minutes, with cool water. If your skin is prone to irritations or acne breakouts, use only high-quality, pure, and unrefined coconut oil. Since this mask can be quite sticky, protect your hair from it by wearing a shower cap or a headband. You can also use it on other body parts, like neck, hands, and legs. The benefits of the ingredients. Coconut oil contains fatty acids and antioxidants that nourish the skin, hydrate, and repair skin cells. It will also clear acne, reduce inflammation, and protect your skin from the UV damage. Avocado is rich in natural oils and antioxidants, contains lots of vitamin E, and has anti-aging, anti-fungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. It will nourish your skin from within when you eat it, and externally when used in a mask. Tea tree oil can effectively reduce excessive skin oiliness and tighten large pores. 2. Honey, banana, and oatmeal. Being a humectant, honey prevents the moisture from escaping the skin cells. Since honey has antibacterial properties, it heals acne and kills acne-causing bacteria. Banana cleanses the skin and nourishes the cells. It controls the sebum production and fades blemishes. Oatmeal is a natural absorbent, which reduces the excessive skin oiliness and gently exfoliates the skin. Mask recipe. Make a puree out of a half of a ripe banana in a small bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of liquid honey and 1 or 2 teaspoons of colloidal oatmeal into the bowl. Mix everything until you get a thick paste. Apply the mask on your clean face and leave it on for 10 minutes. Remove the mask with your clean fingers or a warm washcloth, then rinse with cool water and pat dry. If your skin feels too dry, apply a drop of coconut or olive oil on it. To enhance the exfoliating effect from the mask, gently rub it on your face during the application.